Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this party popper rod skin in a fish ed game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. The birthday event update has been dropped in a Fish 8 game on Roblox, and in this update, guys, you will be able to get this rat skin, and I'm going to show you how you can get this rat skin. Okay, you can go to the Fisherman Island, and then you will see this birthday event quest, and if you want to get the special reward, which is this party popper rat skin, you need to complete the quest or the mission. For example, this one, guys, level up 3 times and also catch 50 fish. And I have already completed the quest, so I got this party popper skin. Okay, I have equipped this skin, and yeah, that's how you can get this party popper rat skin in Fish It game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.